What's going on, guys? We're starting off a new video in the garage today. We've got our shelves reorganized with our track cars and our bashers now. And we've got the Jeep in here because there's some work that needs to be done on this to get that ready for a trip that's coming up here, which we will be doing later today once it gets dark out. But that's in here for now. Today we've played with TRX4 before, and today we got a new toy. We're going to be focusing on this in this video. This is the Axial Bomber. It's a 10 scale, I guess they based it on the actual Bomber Fabrication Ultra 4 car. I got it on sale for 250 bucks. We got a set of these, kind of like the sets of the UDRs and the Slashes, so we'll have something to race. We're gonna go outside, play with it, get some opinions on it, just in case you're curious about mine, since everybody else already has one. But I have a different use case for it, so maybe my video is different than everybody else's. The first thing I want to point out with this is I'm using an HRB 3300 milliamp hour LiPo pack on the stock system, and see if I can get traction. There's not enough traction here to show it, but they torque twist something fierce, and oh, there it goes. It'll pick the rear wheels up without too much of an issue here. It's April and there's still snow on the ground, unfortunately, but yeah, that's how bad these torque twist. I wanted to capture that before we got too far. There's lots of articulation in it, which I'll show next, but they torque twist pretty bad. All right, we'll try and capture some articulation on our bucket here that's going to become our RTI ramp for now. There we go. Yeah, there's a lot of articulation in these things. There, now we're picking the wheel off the ground. But wanted to show that there's a lot of articulation, which is why they torque twist as bad as they do. We'll go try and do some crawling, and then let's go over to our Ultra 4 course and we'll run a lap of that first. All right, we're lined up at the start of what I guess is going to be a crawling section. Kind of interesting since there's snow in here now. We'll start doing some Ultra 4 things. We flipped it. All right, on the attempt number 3 of trying to start the track before flipping the car, we're going to try and run a lap of our Ultra 4 course, and we'll see why I want to go to a brushless system, and hopefully we'll have some cool videos coming in the future because of this. Status report. I was wondering why we're having some issues. Steering's not working so well. So this will either be to be continued, or I'll pick it up in a minute, depending on whether or not I have a spare screw for that laying around, because she fell out. Okay, I did not have that specific screw handy and spare, but I had a longer one that seems to fit. So I stole a screw out of the Tenacity DB Pro's linkage there, And that's on there to get us running for now. I've got replacement parts on order to swap all of that out for something better because that plastic arm is way too flexy. Anyway, back to driving. Onto some crawling now. If I'm feeling fancy, this is the part where I overlay a line I was able to run with the Summit. Yeah, I don't think this is going to do the same thing. Another crawler line. Try and take us more aggressive. Down she goes. One more spot we can try this out. Looking forward to putting a brushless system in this. It'll be fun once it's fast enough to clear the jumps on the track, I think. Revisiting the track, we'll try another lap. We've got one last little spot to try by the house. Sure, I should probably be a little bit concerned about this hill being right here, but try and bump our way out of here. And we'll try and get you guys one little side angle for the steepness of this hill here. Seems to work fine, not really an issue. Even up there, we're all good. So that's going to be the end of the video for today. Didn't save it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see more of the track updates, let me know, because the Ultra 4 course should get interesting. Give it a boot. That's what we got for today. Hopefully you found this interesting. If you did, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one.